Welcome back to Cars Path, where we bring you the most iconic and legendary cars ever built. Today, we're diving deep into a true American classic, the 1959 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door hardtop. This is not just any vintage car. This is an era-defining machine, a symbol of automotive excellence from the golden age of American automobiles. Let's take a moment to admire this masterpiece. The 1959 Bel Air was designed to turn heads with its low-slung body, wide stance, and those unmistakable tail fins. It was the pinnacle of 1950s styling, showcasing a futuristic vision that captured the optimism of the era. Chevrolet went all out with its design, giving the Bel Air a bold front grille, quad headlamps, and sleek side trim that stretched from front to rear. But the real showstopper? Those dramatic horizontal tailfins and the iconic cat-eye taillights that made this car an instant classic. Under the hood, the Bel Air was no slouch. It came with a range of engine options, from the reliable 235 cubic inch inline-six to the powerful 348 cubic inch V8. The latter could produce up to 315 horsepower, making it a beast on the open road. Whether paired with a 3-speed manual, a 4-speed manual, or the smooth Power Glide automatic transmission, the Bel Air delivered a driving experience that was both thrilling and comfortable. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes vintage charm. The dashboard featured a symmetrical design with a large speedometer and stylish chrome accents. The bench seats provided plenty of space for passengers, making it a perfect cruiser for families and road trips. The 4-door hardtop variant, in particular, added a touch of elegance with its pillarless design, giving the car a more open and airy feel when the windows were rolled down. Chevrolet focused on comfort and convenience, offering features like an electric clock, two-tone upholstery, and even an optional push-button radio. Safety was also taken into consideration, with a deep-dish steering wheel and padded dashboard, though, by today's standards, these were just the beginning of automotive safety advancements. On the road, the 1959 Bel Air delivered a smooth and confident ride. Its long wheelbase and well-tuned suspension made highway cruising a breeze. The power steering and optional power brakes ensured easy handling, making it one of the most driver-friendly full-size cars of its time. This car wasn't just about looks, it had the performance and refinement to match. Today, the 1959 Chevrolet Bel Air remains a highly sought-after classic. Enthusiasts and collectors appreciate its unique styling, solid performance, and the nostalgia it brings from an era when cars were more than just transportation. They were rolling works of art. Restored models fetch high prices, and seeing one in pristine condition is always a special sight. If you love classic cars and want to see more legends like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cars Path,